All right, so sixth step in my warm-up routine is to start striking golf balls. I always like to go for either a 4 or a 5 iron because my saber length is 38 inches, and that's very similar to the length of a 5 iron. So what I'm going to do is go straight into swinging full speed. It's a benefit of the saber. If you only have a few minutes to warm up, you can swing your saber in a short amount of time, and then it will really help you with your swing. So here's the 5 iron. Obviously the crowd likes it, so I'm striping it right now. Here's what happens. You get your swing going with the saber, you've created a feeling, and now it's time to make it real. So when you get out here on the driving range and you start making swings, you're just replicating what you feel with the saber. Okay, reckless abandon with the efficiency of that feel. So I've worked on my strength, I've worked on my speed, I've worked on my timing, I've worked on my technique. I've gone through all 6 steps of warming up. Now it's time to hit some drivers. So you can imagine when you take a driver and you decide to swing at full speed, you want it to go just as straight as a 5 iron or a wedge. So as you get yourself ready, especially when you're competing in a tournament like this one, you don't want to be guiding it or directing it. You really can't fake it. So here's the driver with the saber routine. All right, crushed it right down the middle. Again, what's really important for me is I sense on that saber exactly where that follow through is. So when I come through impact, I'm square, and then right back here on the follow-through side. This really helped me to hit a lot of great drives this week, and it's going to help me continue to play better and better golf because I can create speed without trying to control or manipulate impact. So there you go, guys. There's a completion of my saber routine. Now it's time to work on short game and putting, get out on the course, and try my best and score the lowest I can.